Hey girl, welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Just Behave and I'm back with another video. And today we're going to do a tutorial on this Hello Kitty themed kawaii set, and it came out super cute. I absolutely love it. So let's go ahead and get straight into it. First things first, I'm going to be using Queen of Opals by Glitterbels, and y'all, this is like part of my top 10 favorite glitter mixes with acrylic, especially from Glitterbels. It is so pretty. It has like this iridescence. It gives like a pink opal. You can kind of see like different lights of like green, white. It's just so beautiful. I love mixing it with like white acrylic powder or even pink sometimes, and it just makes the set look gorgeous. So what I'm doing is just going in with really small beads of the acrylic. I always go in with small beads of like any colored acrylics or any glitter mixes so that I can, keep my acrylic powders for as long as possible and so that I don't waste it. So it's really chunky and it has different sizes, so I just go in with really wet small beads and then fill in any gap with the glitter mix. And if there's like super duper big gaps, I just go in with like a tiny bead to kind of fill it in. And if there's a super big piece of the acrylic glitter mix, I just move that piece if I don't need it. But I'm gonna go ahead and just keep tapping the sides, that way I can keep the shape so that when I'm filing and everything, I don't have a bunch of work to do. And then I'm gonna continue going in with just little pieces to fill in any gaps. And I'm gonna do the same thing on the second nail. So as you guys can see, I'm just going in with a really wet bead, spreading that out and pushing it around, y'all, just moving it. And then I'm gonna go in again and move any big pieces out of the way. Sometimes like it can kind of just be too much, so sometimes I just take out any big chunks and then I just go in with the glitter again, because I just want like a few pieces. I don't need like super duper big chunks all over the place. But it's so cute, y'all. It has like pink highlights, little lavender highlights, green kinda. It's just the perfect glitter mix. So I'm just going in, y'all, and filling in any little gaps. I want to keep some of the gaps though, because it is a clear nail, so you can kind of see through it. So keep that in mind as well. And we're now on the final nail, so I'm doing the same thing, y'all, pushing that into the cuticle, moving it around using a really wet bead, and then we're gonna go ahead and move on to the next step. Alright, so now I'm going in with Mia's Secret Clear, and I'm going to go ahead and just encapsulate the acrylic glitter, and then after this we're going to go ahead and design the nails. Alright y'all, so now I'm going to go in with this nail rhinestone glue, and I just go ahead and apply it to the space where I would like to apply the nail charm. And by the way, all of the charms that I'm going to be showing you guys came from Shein. Just in case you was wondering, girl, go on Shein and just type in nail charms and you're going to find everything. Just everything and more. So yeah, that's all you got to do, girl. So now I'm just going to go ahead and just keep on applying the nail glue and then apply the charms to my liking. And during this step, I kind of cure as I place it. That way it doesn't start slipping and sliding, because if you know, you know, when you start applying the nail charms and the nail is pointing down, it's going to start moving. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply this Barbie, then this little star, and then I end up moving the Barbie a little bit higher because I felt like it was kind of far away from the other nail charms. So I did that, and then I was satisfied with that nail. Now I'm going to move on. And y'all, this charm is super duper huge. Like, and you want to be sure to cure this because it's going to move, it's going to slide down, it's going to move around. So I was kind of trying to get like the perfect placement for it. And then after, I was like, okay, I like it right here. I'm going to go ahead and cure this. Y'all, make sure you cure this because it's going to move up and down and round and round. It's so big. Like, the video doesn't do it justice. It's huge. And then I had this really cute little glow in the dark there, and I was like, I have to use this. So basically what I do is get a bunch of charms that's the same color or the same metal, like silver or whatever, and I bunch them all together, and then I pick which ones I'm going to use for the set. I do that beforehand just so I could really, like, you know, marinate on it a little bit, but you just want to get similar looking colors, looking shades and stuff like that, and then just apply them. And then as you start going, you're going to see what fits next to the next charm, what looks good on which nail, and then after a while it just gets easy. You just continue to apply it, cure it, and then by the time you know it, you have a super cute kawaii set. But I'm going to continue applying the charms, and then I'll be back when I'm doing something different. Alright y'all, so now I'm going to go ahead and go in with some rhinestones, and I also got these from Shein, y'all. I'm just going in with some pearls, some AB rhinestones, and the pink rhinestones as well, and everything came from Shein, girl. If you're on a budget and you're trying to do nails, whether you're trying to do your own nails or you want to do nails like professionally, y'all, Shein is the go-to. It's affordable. They have such a large variety of nail charms, crystal, and the quality is amazing, y'all. Like, you do not have to go and spend crazy money on nail charms. You can budget yourself like $100, 150, 200, and you can get so many different nail charms. Before, and I'm gonna say, like, this was my mistake as a beginner, I didn't purchase a lot of nail charms. I had rhinestones, but I didn't have like any big nail charms. I always was doing encapsulation and ombre and stuff like that. All of those are needed for sure, but the rhinestones and nail charms are what like brings your nails to life. Like, it just adds like the cherry on top. So I would definitely recommend doing it. You can also go to AliExpress, y'all, shop around. But for me, sometimes with Ali I get overwhelmed, even though they have like a lot of exclusive stuff on Ali. We're not sleeping on her, but Shein, if you want to just get you some nail charms, look at the reviews. I like their website because you can actually see how it looks in the reviews and read like honest reviews. Sometimes with Ali it can be a hit or miss, and when you receive it, that's when you really see what you get. But with Shein, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, the reviews have not steered me wrong, and there's a lot of reviews, so I would highly recommend them. Also, as for acrylic powders, like my favorite glitter mixers are glitter bells. Everybody knows that. If you've been on my channel for a while, you know, like, I love glitter bells. And for full cover powders, not polished is definitely a go-to. I know not polished and glitter bells can seem expensive, but y'all, they're definitely worth it. They make a huge difference in your nail sets, and also with not polished, like, the application is amazing with their powders. I love their powders. But yeah, and in other news, y'all, I've been doing like these extra long nail sets. If you guys want to see something different from me or a specific color, let me know in the comments and let me know which nail was your favorite too. But anyways, yeah, I've put all of the names of my acrylic powders in a not a nail randomizer, a name randomizer. So I just spin the wheel every time I'm about to do a set, and whatever acrylic powder it lands on, that's what I do nails with. And I've been liking it, but if you guys want to see something different from me or a specific color, just let your girl know and I'll definitely get it done. But as you guys can see, the top coat is really bringing out that glitter mix in the background and it looks so pretty. You can see the iridescence and I can't wait to show you guys the final look so you guys can really see how they look in person. I absolutely love them. But be sure to like and subscribe to my channel, y'all, and I'll be back for the final reveal. This is the final look, y'all, and I absolutely love them. Be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Comment down below which nail was your favorite. And I'm going to see you guys next time. Love y'all. Bye.